Welcome to How to Have Fun Cruising with Alice and Tommy T. That's right, folks. We got a great video today from your cruise ship channel. That's right, How to Have Fun Cruising. Today is the Mardi Gras Spa Balcony Room full tour and walkthrough. That's right, if you're thinking about booking a trip with the Carnival Mardi Gras, this brand new beautiful ship with roller coasters and all kinds of cool stuff, you're going to want to watch this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button and please hit that like button. It would mean so much to us so we can get this video out to more and more cruisers. And definitely check out our Instagram, Facebook, and howtohavefuncruising.com. That's right, everybody knows the Mardi Gras. This is the one, the first ever cruise ship to have a roller coaster, tons of slides on it and all kinds of cool stuff. You name it, they've got it. This thing was launched back in 2020. It's over 1,000 feet long, and believe it or not, it carries over 5,000 passengers with 19 decks. That's right, folks. This is an incredible cruise ship. If you're new to How to Have Fun Cruising, definitely check out our channel. We got all kinds of great videos, like the Bermuda Triangle. That's right, 27-foot waves. If you're into cruising, you got to watch that. All kinds of shore excursions and different types of videos that you will really love. Tip videos, you name it, we've got it. So definitely check out and subscribe to How to Have Fun Cruising. But today is all about, that's right, the Carnival Mardi Gras. And Alice is going to give you that tour next, and you're going to get to see the special spa balcony room. Very unique room with its own elevator down to the spa and unlimited use of the thermal suite for the entire week. So let's get started with Alice. Here we are up on the 17th floor. That's right, folks. We splurged. We've got a great walkthrough tour video for you this week on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, the Mardi Gras by Carnival Cruise Line. This is their newest ship with the roller coaster. And what did we do? We went way up on the 17th floor to give you an idea of the spa suite balcony. And let's check it out. This is a great room with all kinds of special spa features to the room to take advantage of that. And we're impressed. This is a sweet boat for sure. Great design. Lice, take it away. Show us the room, and we'll start with that.
So first of all, believing or not, for the first time we are actually in front of the ship. So come on inside and check it out with us.
All right. Wow, look at this room. It is magnificent. Beautiful lighting, very modern. Gorgeous balcony out there. We're going to go through this in a minute, but let's start like we always do up front with the closets and bathroom.
Yeah, the closets are here obviously, and because we are in the spa room, we have the robes as well and a lot of space for clothing. So that is really a lot of space. On the also this one is another closet, and there is a lot of space also for hanging your clothes.
Wow,
so
look at that room.
I will have a lot of fun later on getting all our clothes out. And here is the fantastic bathroom. Come with me. The bathroom is really big, and I love the fact that obviously there is space for yourself in the toilet, and then you have a space for somebody else that they can actually use the sink. The sink is really nice, and I love it. It's square, it's very modern looking, and there is a huge mirror and a lot of space for toiletries with a nice mirror for your makeup. And then here is the shower.
And look at the size of this shower. Is huge. This has got to be one of the biggest showers in the industry for a cruise line.
Yeah, I can actually dance inside here. There is so much space, and you can actually look at yourself, how good this looks and how spacious it is.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Great shower.
Yep. Really
nice. Big mirror in here for everyone to get ready. Gorgeous job by Carnival with this boat.
And they want to get your attention on the door. Look at how great it opens up. It's
very nice. No
design.
curtain. Yeah, nice glass door. Very well done. Very impressed so far with this ship.
Yep. And then moving out of the bathroom, here we are in the space for your living room with a nice sofa. The sofa is very big, and you have a cooler where you can actually have space for all your drinks. Very spacious drawer with a nice hair dryer as well. And then here you have another extra spot for yourself.
You got the little ottoman with storage in the ottoman.
Exactly.
Lots of plugs too. Take a look at this. They did a nice job with the USB and all the extra outlets. That's one of the frustrating things with a lot of these cabins.
Yeah, and they look into a lot little details. Look at the shelves are very big, and there is actually space for a lot of stuff. And I love the mirror, very big with all the lighting all around it. It's a very nice design. Here we have space for a nice big sofa where you can lay down. It's pretty comfy and very spacious. And look at how big is this bed. Like really big, really comfy. And I love that you have the light right over the bed like this. So it's not too strong and you can enjoy it a lot.
Yeah, really nice reading lights with USBs below them.
Yep.
You can see that this is a brand new ship with all the features for sure. That is really nice.
Another big feature is how big the television is, to be honest.
I think this is the biggest one I've seen on a cruise ship for a typical cabin. Beautiful.
And it's hanging. I love the fact that it's hanging like that. And finally, but not less important, we have a nice balcony. And here is the way you actually unlock it. And then you open up the door. Here is the door. And look at how big this balcony is.
Look at the size of this balcony. It is fantastic.
Yep. And you have the space both for drinking your coffee, hanging out on your chair, or you can actually lie down and get some sun. So we really thought about everything, and honestly, sitting down here and looking outside with the view that we have is just phenomenal. Like the view is really, really nice.
Wow, this is incredible. You're right up front on the front of the ship. Just really nice design. They did a great job with this, Alice.
Absolutely the best room that I ever seen on a cruise ship. I love it.
And this is a minor upgrade. It's not like a major upgrade or to a full suite. This is a minor upgrade and well worth it in our opinion. Well, as you can see, the room is absolutely beautiful, but it gets better than that. Not only is this a gorgeous ship, gorgeous rooms, it's all brand new, but with the spa balcony room, that's right, you get your own elevator down to the spa. So you don't have to deal with the crowds. You get your own private elevator that takes you right straight down to the Cloud 9 spa, and boy, oh boy, is it awesome. Take a look at this steam room. It is gorgeous, all brand new. And one of the things that's nice about a brand new ship is the facilities are just state-of-the-art, gorgeous, clean, beautiful, great lighting. Take a look at this sauna, huge sauna, and it was fantastic. Beautiful showers, everything that you can think of in this thermal suite. The salt therapy, how about this jacuzzi bath, the warm, heated beds there that you can lay back. Alice just can't get enough of these. And overall, we really hope you love this video. So please hit that like button. It would mean so much to us to get this video out to everybody and have everybody learn about how to have fun cruising. Check out our website, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Cruising.